Microsoft Teams has a collection of apps you can browse, choose, and install to bring processes and insights into the flow of your work. Once installed, an app can be integrated within chat, channels, and meetings. Adding apps to your chats and channels lets you take action and celebrate those you work with right within Teams. There are different ways to use apps in your chats and channels: as a tab, inside messages or channel conversations, as bots that automate actions, and as notifications with connectors. Let's look at each way to integrate and use apps through chats and channels. Add an app as a tab to keep key information and tools on hand. First, go to the top of your chat or channel and select the plus symbol to search for the app you want to pin as a new tab. For example, choose PowerPoint, then select the relevant presentation to work together on so everyone can access it quickly. Or add Miro to pin a virtual whiteboard and brainstorm new ideas. Add an app into your messages or channel conversations to drive action or surface information. Search the app from the 3 dots under the message box. Choose the one you need, and then access it directly from the icon. For example, search articles from Wikipedia, create a checklist from the Checklist app, or add a comment to one of your Jira projects. You can also take action from a specific message. For example, assign a task during a conversation with the Tasks app. Interact directly with app bots to get answers or responses to commands you ask for in your chats. Type the @ symbol and the name of the app you installed, then follow the suggested instructions. For example, to start a quick poll with Polly, @mention it, type the question and question mark, and add the responses separated by commas. Then a Polly is instantly sent to everyone in the chat. Set up connectors to bring content from your apps into Teams, get notified, and drive action on all the activity that's going on. For example, directly from Monday.com, go to the Integrations options, select Teams, and set up your preferences. Then start getting notifications on your preferred channels. In Microsoft Teams, each app has its own unique experience, sometimes showing up in just one way, other times in all of them. Teams apps can help you collaborate in chat and channels with ease, keeping you in the flow of work so you get more done together.